In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view an email without opening it in Microsoft Outlook. This is a simple yet highly effective way to stay in control of your inbox, especially if you want to preview messages without accidentally marking them as read. By adjusting a few settings, you can create a more personalized and distraction-free email experience. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once it loads, you'll see your inbox along with your list of emails. From here, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will take you to a menu where you can access various account and application settings. Next, look for the Options button and click on it. A new window will appear, displaying a wide range of customization settings. On the left-hand side of this window, you'll see several categories. Go ahead and select Mail, as this is where you can adjust how your emails are handled and displayed. After opening the Mail settings, move your focus to the right side of the window and find the section labeled Reading Pane. This area controls how emails behave when you preview them. By default, Outlook may automatically mark messages as read when they appear in the reading pane, which can sometimes lead to missing important unread emails. To prevent this, locate the option that marks items as read when viewed in the reading pane, and make sure it is unchecked. This change ensures that emails will remain unread until you decide to open them manually. Then, look for the setting that marks an item as read when the selection changes. Disable this option as well. This helps avoid situations where emails are marked as read simply because you clicked on another message. There is also an option that allows you to always preview messages. Enabling this feature can give you a quick glance at the contents of your emails without fully opening them, making it easier to identify which messages need your immediate attention. Once you've adjusted these settings, click OK to save your changes. Your preferences will take effect immediately, allowing you to preview emails more efficiently without losing track of unread messages. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.